if we want to become a big country, and if we want to become, we have to stop becoming super competitive in every aspect of life. गाड़ी का एक पार्किंग स्पॉट है और उसमें अगर किसी और ने लगाया तो मेरे को उससे पहले लगाने. In every walk of life, we are so fiercely competitive. And we are good at nothing then. We just are good at being competitive, and we're not becoming better at anything. So even in a traffic, if the red lights, अगर ये रुझाए उससे पीछे पहले तो मैं ही निकल जाऊंगा. तो अगर थोड़ी भी एंगल में गाड़ी है तो मैं ऐसे करके why are we just every day, every walk, and that is something which we as a society, and this is not nothing to do with income levels, this has nothing to do with anything else, we are fiercely competitive. Like Shashi Tharoor says, we are a country which is always running and trying to we want to reach, or we are always breaking all the rules. We want to go somewhere, we are driving fast, but we never are on time. It's a very good apt line, because that's something which our society has to sit back and think. But again, it relates to a very strong mental makeup of saying, where is the patience pill? If there is one pill I can give India, not omega-3 blood pressure, he's saying, please get some patience. I mean, you are not competing with your neighbor all the time. You're not competing with the guy next to you on the road. You're not competing with the guy who's pulling out his bag from the overhead bin in a plane. I mean, everyone is going to get out of the plane. What's the rush that I want my bag before him or her? I just don't get it. And it happens in trains, it happens in planes. So these are not people who don't have money, but it's a bigger issue. And I think failure is linked to it. That I want to succeed in every little aspect of life. Red light से भी मैं ही निकल जाऊं, बाकी रुक जाए. That is just the psyche, and that just makes failure. People feel disheartened and angry when they can't make a red light. और वो ग्रीन येलो की रेड हो जाती है तो वो चिल्लाते ऊबर ड्राइवर पे. कहता यार निकाल देता गाड़ी. अरे भाई क्यों निकाल देता भाई? मुझे समझ नहीं, आपको लेट हो रहा है या कुछ है? लेट तो पूरी इंडिया को लेट हो रहा है. यह लेट वो तो मुझे पता है. We just, because that we view that little red light which the Uber driver couldn't make, we somehow feel as, oh, we failed to make it. That guy made it.
Subconsciously, we are wired to think like that. That failure is the end of life. It's not a feedback. I mean, why can't we take this as a feedback?
हमने कभी सोशल मीडिया पे किसी ने बोल दिया कि इंडिया ये खराब करता है, तो आपने देखा हम क्या करते हैं?
Or either try to justify.
फिर हम कहीं भी चले जाते हैं. औरंगजेब, चाणक्य, ऐसे ये कहाँ से आ गया है अभी? बट वी जस्ट जस्टिफाई एनीथिंग. हमें किसी ने बोल दिया कि इंडियन क्रिकेट में ये गलत हो रहा है, तो हम तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऑस्ट्रेलियंस आर? डू यू थिंक व्हाट आई सेड? भाई फीडबैक है ना, एक छोटा सा ले ले. प्लीज एक्सेप्ट क्रिटिसिज्म. Up to you to change or not. But why are you killing the messenger? Or why are you killing the message? Accept message, change or not change is up to you. And criticism necessarily doesn't mean you are bad. We just कहीं भी कोई भी बोल दे, we just become ultra defensive. I think that is in many ways, it's sadly an inferiority complex. When you're unable to take feedback or criticism, which means you're feeling you have to portray your superiority. And I don't know. It's the only intervention can happen with 5-year-old children. I think 50 year is too late. अब तो वो तो Uber ड्राइवर को ही गाली पड़ेगी अगर वो रेड लाइट मिस करेगा तो.